Hello everyone, it's Brandy Cox here, and I'm excited to share details with you about our upcoming Creativate online stamping retreat. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun, and this will be our 14th retreat. I can't hardly believe it. We've been doing this for over 3 years. So this will be our 14th retreat, and I think we are all just as excited about this one as we were the prior 13. We just have so much fun. It's an amazing weekend. If you're not sure what Creativate is, Creativate, the online retreat, is a virtual retreat. We have demonstrators, we have team members, we have friends, family, our customers. Everybody is welcome, and we all meet virtually online, and we craft together. So the Creativate team, there's 4 of us on the Creativate team, and we all love to create and share. So we create projects to share with you, and our hope is to inspire you to go into your craft room and pull something off of your wall, a stamp set, some designer paper, and brush off the dust and get stamping, and get creating some cards that you can send to friends and family. And of course, we want to give you some ideas to get that mojo going. Sometimes that's the hardest part when you go into your crafting space and it's like, okay, where do I start? So the cool thing about Creativate is we come to you with 8 live demonstrations. You get 36 PDF tutorials. So you get 36 tutorials, and they're generic. So when I say generic, I'm going to show you a few projects from the last retreat that we just did, the spring of 2023. I'm going to show you a couple of those projects. But when I say generic, what I mean about that is the projects are a lot of fun. They're fun folds, boxes, 3D items. Oh my gosh, we have everything across the gamut, techniques. But the projects are designed so that you can use any designer paper, any stamp sets that you have. Once you purchase the retreat, you have lifetime access to the Creativate Retreat webpage. And once you have access to the webpage, you can download the tutorials, watch the videos at your leisure. So you have plenty of opportunity, if you can't join us live, to enjoy all of those projects and tutorials. So you can just use whatever stamp sets you would like and designer paper and craft away. That is what our hope. There's no additional purchase whatsoever, of course, unless you choose to do so. Okay, so I'm excited. The Creativate Retreat, we have an early bird registration, and that is June 23rd at 8 a.m. That's right. So we have an early bird registration, so you can register early. Well, what does that mean? Well, it means you get an extra 4 FunFold tutorials. That's right, 4 different FunFold tutorials in addition to the retreat tutorials. So it's just really a good deal. It's a lot of fun. And one thing that I love about it is once you get registered, we kick off the event with 4 pre-retreat challenges. So for the 4 Mondays prior to the retreat, we post a new pre-retreat challenge. I've actually got 2 or 3 of them here with me today, and I'm going to show you. They're different. Every single retreat, they're different, but they're just a lot of fun. We hope it's kind of gets you going, you dust off your stamps, get you kind of in that mood for a crafting extravaganza weekend. Yeah, the retreat starts on a Friday night. So save the dates, July 21st and 22nd. Those are the dates of the event. And so we start off on a Friday night. We do 2 live presentations for you. And I think this coming event, I get to go on Friday night, so I'm super excited about that and help kick off the event. And then on Saturday, we start again and we go all day on Saturday. So it's just a lot of fun and just a really neat way to meet other crafters from all over the world as we come together in YouTube Live in the live chat. And of course, we'll be with you live in our presentations so we can chat with you, and the other Creativate ladies will learn there typing away and chatting with you as well. So it's just really a lot of fun, lots of giggles. Sometimes there's mistakes and we laugh at each other. And then you can figure out if you're on Team Green Glue or Stamp and Seal. That's all I'll say about that. We'll see which team you're on. If you've attended a Creativate retreat before, I'd love for you to leave a comment and let others know how much fun you've had. I know we received the most amazing comments from y'all about how much you love these events, how much you look forward to these events. And so we would love to see this event grow and have others join us as well. So please feel free to leave me a comment. And if you're not sure what you've got some questions or I haven't answered something for you, please go to BrandysCards.com/Creativate. It's there that you can read all about the event. You can look at those dates again. You can get yourself ready for the early bird registration. And I think that should answer most of your questions. If not, let me know. I do want to let you know that each Creativate leader does have their own unique link to register. So I'd love to have you be a guest of Brandy's Cards and register with me. I'd be so grateful. And I'll be sending that email on the morning of June 23rd. So you'll be able to also find my link on BrandysCards.com/Creativate. So you can find all that information there. And of course, you can email me. I can get that to you too. Okay, so I'm going to show you the pre-retreat challenges. That was one thing that we were talking about. And so I guess I didn't grab a fun fold, but you guys know fun folds are awesome, and they come like all across the board, right? But we're going to go to the pre-retreat challenges because I just think those are super cool too. So one of the challenges that we had was to create this fun little card that had a little pocket in here. So this was a challenge that led up to the retreat. So I just thought that was really cool. That was one of them. Another one was this fun, I guess, I don't know, it's like an edgeless, one layer stamping. And that was definitely a challenge. And and that Facebook group, there's like hundreds of ideas, and that other people that attended the retreat have uploaded their cards. So much fun. This was my challenge for the attendees, and it was basically stamp your scene, die cut, and create your card and layer it up. So, and then of course we tried to do the envelopes and decorate the insides of our cards, so you have lots of ideas. This is another one that I did. Remember, stamp your scene, die cut it out, and then adhere it to your card front. And look how lovely. Oh, and the other ladies, they shared the cards that they made from my tutorial. It was awesome. All right, here's another one. So this is a card that I shared during the event in the spring. Oh, this Seaside Bay. Didn't everybody just love that designer paper? And look how fun that is. And so I do want to let you know that if you're like, oh my gosh, I really want to recreate that particular card, of course we do have the tutorials available that you can purchase, and then you would get access to the retreat webpage, and you have access to all of the tutorials that we share during the entire event. So that is available to you. Just go to BrandysCards.com actually, I think it's /store. Isn't that correct? And I believe that's where or email me, let me know. And that's, if you go to my retired store, all of the Creativates in the past, there you'll see the little thumbnail and it'll say spring 2023 or fall of 2022. So all of those retreats and tutorials are there to purchase. Okay, so here's another one of the fun cards that I shared, and I just love this free butterfly. Oh gosh, check that out. See how that card kind of has like a fun insert area there. So, and then you've got these beautiful butterflies, and I love how it's, your strength inspires me. Difficult roads bring you to beautiful destinations. There's something beautiful in every day. So I just, I love creating for these Creativate retreats because I feel like I can just kind of put even more into each one of these. This one is so fun. This just makes you smile because it just looks yummy. Let's celebrate. And then on the inside, you have you're amazing, love you, and then you have happy birthday. So again, you can see that it's just kind of a really cool fun fold, and just some fun elements on the inside that would surprise anybody. Of course, I just, I decorated envelopes for each of these cards as well. So these are just a few of my cards that I shared during the spring 2023 retreat. So these are not the cards that you're going to make at the upcoming retreat. I've got a whole set of new cards, and so do the other ladies. We like to switch it up and change it up and keep it fresh and keep it super fun for you. We also encourage those that attend to print those tutorials, do hole punch them, and stick them in an idea inspiration book. I have one here. Mine is ginormous, and I've actually started a second book. We've done it for so long now, and we've had so much fun, and the tutorials are just awesome. A lot of times there's diagrams and things in there as well. So anyway, I hope that you will consider joining us for the upcoming summer retreat. It's just truly a lot of fun. And again, if you can't join us live, not to worry. You're always welcome to check back at your leisure and watch those videos and download those tutorials. And of course, if you can join us live, it is going to be a lot of fun, as it always is, and we get just so excited to share with you. Now, before I go, there are prizes. I do get emails that, hey, do y'all give any door prizes? Yes, if you've registered for the Creativate Retreat, then you are entered into the door prizes. So that is available to you as well. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate you joining me today, and I hope that you will register with us and be a guest of BrandysCards for the upcoming Creativate online stamping retreat. Take care, everybody. Happy stamping.